Halloween is in full swing. But look at my beautiful flowers. They smell so great. When you get up to these guys, and always do this, break these little buds apart, the dry ones, and sprinkle them, and they're gonna give you even more marigolds. Sprinkle them down. Very nice. I don't know, I get to New York, we got late bloomers here. My cayenne pepper. Very nice, gonna cut it off soon. And then again, more of my delicious microgreen radish greens. We're gonna take a handful out so you can see. I'm gonna eat this in a second. But are they beautiful? I'm gonna get more late bloomers. These beautiful poblanos that are, wanted to cut them off, but they're so small. Yeah, but I'll dry them up for ancho. Of course, my son's crazy front yard Halloween garden where we planted chilies and more marigolds. They smell so amazing and they're so beautiful. Look at them. And we got corn too. Some. But my mother-in-law has the rest in her yard, and you'll see them next week when I update the video. There's a plane here for some reason, but look. We decided to plant chilies here too, and these chilies are thriving. These are bird's eye chilies, very spicy. There's another one right there too. So I think marigolds and chili peppers are BFFs. So going next door here to Abuela's house, he's got these beautiful trees and everything. And oh, look at oh my God, look at these guys. How big they got. See the fucking stormtrooper just chilling there. Hey bro, first order bro. Let's check some of these guys out. You know they're ready when their hair is brown like this. They're ready to go down. Let's see if we can find a big fat one here coming under the kind of skinny this bag. Looks pretty healthy. Let's open them up. What color will you do? I hybrid these from last year to be red and pink and purple. Oh yes, look at this thing, guys. It is perfect in stark purple. Wow. So I guess my hybriding worked. Have you seen anything more beautiful in your life? I mean, other than your family and your kids and blah, blah, blah. But look at that. And there's so many more coming soon. Look at all these guys. I call this free Halloween decorations. Also, please admire my mother-in-law's beautiful flower garden. Jam. These. She really loved these bonettos. Look at these, how beautiful they are. And you know what's even more beautiful? This. I cleaned it completely, but look at the perfectly purple dark hue that we have. These are seeds I saved specifically for this color. I mean, if you can't appreciate the beauty in this corn, then I don't want to know you. LOL. But this thing, again, free Halloween decorations. But seriously, no, I tied it up nice. I gotta get a whole bunch of them next week. But have you seen a more beautiful color in your life? Ever since I was a little boy, this was my favorite color of, I guess we should call it indigenous corn now, not Indian corn, but look at that. Look at that color. Again, free Halloween decorations. So one last thing with my beautiful poblanos that are growing here. You see them all? There's a little baby one here. There's a little one here. With peppers, you gotta kind of trim them a little bit. This one is a blossom here, so I'm not gonna rip the end off, but with peppers, even tomatoes as well, you want to definitely and should put it back in there for compost. You definitely want to let them grow. So if you get huge rinds full of nothing, like this right here, there's no buds. We need to work together. So thinking about, we're gonna just like give them a little twist off. So that will bring more life to our boy here. I can't wait to use this guy. This guy is gonna be Chile Relleno Central. Look how beautiful. Also, the cayenne pepper is flourishing. The long willow hanging down here at the most growing. And I think there's one in here somewhere hiding, another one here, right here. Right here in my planter. There he is. Okay, and I got my basil. These flowers are great. The chefs pay like mad money for these flowers to garnish with their little tweezers. Some tomatoes. I don't know if this guy's gonna make it, but I'll pick them or something. This guy as well here, and of course this crop I have of these beautiful microgreen radishes are like ridiculous. Like these literally were planted a couple days ago, and I'm gonna rip some up and eat them for my dinner. Like, I mean, when they're small like this, they're nice for garnish. But when they get too big, it's like salad material. So again, here my beautiful marigolds. Look at them, and it's I'm telling you, marigolds and peppers are BFFs. Here's my little jalapeno plant. Look at all these guys. Is growing here. And this one's weird here because it's a light green, so it's like I think I made a hybrid by accident again. And this is another one coming up, a little one. But yeah, just one last thing here in my haunted house. My son and I start decorating from August. I had these guys here, and since I have no more yard space, this tomato's dead. But this beautiful broad bean plant, these are the dry out, so I can say the seeds, where you could actually, use them as like arroz candules or something like that. There's more growing here, but like, for example, if I take this one off, I want to waste the seeds, but you can see inside the beans themselves. You see them? Oh, shoot. But these guys are beans that you can dry and save for next year, or you can put them all together for, a arroz gandules or a menestra or any kind of bean food. But here I got some really nice long ones. These green ones here, like on my right, we can boil them and make fasolia, but these on the left, these are the ones that I guess these are the dry beans. We can save them for next year, or we can just use them for, cassoulet or menestra or other kinds of dry bean dishes. But they are beautiful. Aren't they beautiful? This is seed from my uncle in Katelios in Greece. And if you let these grow long enough, they'll get a foot long or more. And it's weird that in New York that half are dry and half are still growing. I think it's because I have my little ghetto side yard garden. But check these guys out one more time. Beautiful, beautiful little babies put on display. I mean, look at the color of these perennials. I mean, yes, they're decorative, but if you were so inclined, you could make what am I talking about? You could make fresh cornmeal to make fresh tortillas with this if you know how to properly get the komal and all that stuff going. But look at the color. I mean, the color is just astounding.